Guys, it's Gingineer again. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe guys, so hit the subscribe button para updated ka lagi sa mga future contents pa natin. Okay, so simulan na natin to guys. Another intermediate level age problem for civil service exam. So, Jill is twice as old as Jim, and Jim is 3 years older than Ken. The sum of their ages is 61. What is the age of Jim? Okay, so tatlong tao na to, no? So, meron tayong si Jill, si Jim, and si Ken. Okay? So, si Jill, gawin na lang natin siya as variable x. Si Jim naman, iset natin as variable y. And si Ken, gawin natin siyang variable z. Okay? So, next step guys, tignan natin yung mga conditions. Jill is twice as old as Jim. Okay? So, si Jill daw na variable x, twice daw yung age niya kay Jim na variable y. So, 2y. Okay? So, yan na yung first equation natin. So, second condition, sabi dito, Jim is 3 years older than Ken. So, si Jim daw na variable x is 3 years older or mas matanda ng 3 years kay Ken na variable z. So, magpa-plus 3 lang tayo dito. And then, the sum of their ages is 61. So, yung sum daw nila, kapag inad natin, so x plus y plus z, that is equal to 61. Okay? So, tatlong equation guys, tatlong unknown variables. So, ang hinahanap, what is the age of Jim? So, si Jim guys, siya si variable y. Okay? So, hanggat maaari, siya yung kailangan nating itira dito sa equation natin para makuha natin yung sagot. Okay? So, itong pinakamahabang equation guys, ito na yung gagamitin natin as our main equation. So, yung mga variables, kukunin natin sa first and second equation. Okay? So, x guys, ano yung value niya? That is 2y sa first equation, di ba? So, 2y plus, kopyahin na lang natin tong y kasi yan yung hinahanap natin, hindi na natin siya papalitan. Plus, yung value ng z naman, andito sa second equation, pero hindi siya naka-isolate. Kaya ang gagawin natin, isolate natin yung z. Z is equal to y, and then yung positive 3 dito, kapag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative 3. So, yan, no? So, may value na tayo ng z, which is y minus 3. And then, kopyahin lang natin, guys, yung 61. So, pag samasamahin lang natin, guys, yung may mga variable y. So, 2y plus y plus y, that is 4y. And then, itong natitirang constant dito na negative 3, ililipat lang natin sa right side, magiging 61 plus 3. Okay? And then, 4y is equal to 61 plus 3, that is 64. Okay? So, i-divide lang natin sila both side ng 4. Makakancel tong 4, y na lang yung matitira. So, value ng y natin guys, 64 divided by 4, or that is 1, 6 or 16. Okay? So, tama ba? Okay. So, 16 times 4 is 64. So, tama. So, final answer natin, 16 or letter A. So, yun guys, no? So, ganun lang mag-solve ng tatlong tao na given sa age problem, no? So, kailangan nyo lang talagang gawan ng equation and dapat alam nyo yung kung sino yung hinahanap. Okay? So, sana natuto kayo guys sa video natin. So, yun lang. Kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.